Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. Today we will do the topic weight of an object on moon surface is 1 by 6 of its weight on earth surface. Before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. So let's start. As you know that we have done in the previous class or previous video that mass and weight are two different quantities. Mass of an object remains same everywhere, whereas the weight of the same object changes from place to place. Weight is the product of mass and acceleration, and it is due to the gravitational force only. So because of this force is by gravitational force, so to calculate this, here we will use the universal law of gravitation that we have done in starting of the chapter. So before doing that, first of all we have to consider like earth is there. Okay, on the earth surface object is there. This object is there. Let the mass of this object is MO. O is not in multiply, it is in the lower subscript. If I will write M everywhere, you will not able to understand that whose mass is this. To specify that object, it is not like this, it is wrong. Okay, it is wrong. We are lying in the lower subscript to specify the mass of the object. So, and this is, let us earth, so mass of earth, capital ME. And this join from its center, so it is the radius of the earth. So by universal law of gravitation, what was that formula for that? Ki force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two bodies, that is earth and object, and inversely proportional to the square of distance between, that is RE. So that force, and you know that the force with which the bodies get attracted towards earth, its weight. So weight on earth is capital G, mass of earth, mass of object upon radius of earth square. So this is the first equation we have got. Similarly on the moon surface. So here is the center and this is the moon surface we are talking. So capital M means mass, or small m in the lower subscript, that is mass of moon. So this object is present on the moon surface, same object. So we will consider the same mass, and here radius of moon will come. So by universal law, weight on moon is capital G, product of the masses. So we will take mass of object of mass of moon upon radius of moon square. Now we have got two equations of the forces. We have to get a relation between them. Like in maths also you are doing relation between x is equal to 4y, and then you substitute in the equation and you solve your answers. Similarly here also we will use a relation. We know that mass of earth is 100 times mass of moon, and radius of earth is 4 times radius of moon. Means this is the relation between earth and moon mass and radius. Earth mass is 100 times greater or multiple of the mass of moon, and radius is 4 times. So we will substitute these values in equation 1. So weight on earth becomes capital G. In place of mass of earth we will substitute this value 100 into mass of moon, and in place of radius of the earth, mass of object will remain same because mass of an object does not change from place to place. So radius of earth we will put 4 into Rm. And now what is there? Square, and here no square. So we will put the square. Solve it. You will get G 100 mass of moon into mass of object upon 16 into Rm square. Now we have got this equation after substituting this. Now we will divide this weight on moon by this weight on earth. Divide equation, let us take, this is third equation. So divide equation 2 by 3. Both the side, left hand side, right, as well as right hand side. Weight on moon upon weight on earth. We are dividing. So G, capital G, mass of object, mass of moon upon radius of moon square. We are dividing. So let us put this symbol. Next step we will do it. 100 G mass of moon and mass of object upon 16 into Rm square. In next step you can take a multiply and you can change it. Mass of object, mass of moon, radius of moon square, multiply, it will change. upon 100 g mass of m mass of object, because from division to multiply when we do, then it get changed. Rm square cancel, mass of moon, mass of moon, mass of object, capital G and capital G. So what we have got, weight on moon upon weight on earth is 16 by 100. So weight on moon is 16 by 100 into weight on earth. So when will you solve it? You will get the relation कि weight on moon is approximately 1 by 6 into weight on earth. Related to this, other numericals we will do in the next video. But till here, today you have to do this derivation. This derivation used to come in exam to show that weight on moon is 1 by 6 on weight on earth. Yeah, what is the relation between the object weight on moon surface and earth surface? So like this exam question used to come. So when you will solve this, you will get this answer. So this is the derivation of weight on moon is of an object is 1 by 6 on the weight of earth surface. So this is for today. Thank you.